使ってやってるのリリー。最後まで油断しちゃダメよ。何のための吹雪組だと思ってるの？
Damn it, Lily. Who told you to do that? Don't ever act on impulse. After all, we're called the Blizzard Bunch for a reason.
どういうことよ。私たちのことが載ってないなんて。何もしてないくせに。
It's just not fair. I mean, they didn't even mention us? And she did absolutely nothing.
爆発は機体の急速な熱膨張。それを抑え込むことができれば。でも、そんなことできる。私の力で。
The explosion will cause a rapid expansion of gas. If I use my power to suppress it... But, can I do that? Am I strong enough?
それ以降目立った活動報告がないにもかかわらず C 級から B 級へと駆け上がった。それもデビューわずかで。きっとこの男は何かある。
Despite no further notable reports of achievements in the field, he rose from Class C to Class B, and so soon after his debut. There's something about this man.
肉は裂け骨は砕け、一瞬にして心が折れる残酷な表す。あんたが悪いのよ。私を追い抜こうだなんて考えるから。私が一番なのよ。敵になりうるやつは。
Flesh peels away, bones crack. The brutality of it all breaks your will in an instant. You did this to yourself. You deserve it for thinking you can surpass me. No one is better than me. All my enemies tremble before...
あの姉のおかげで、これまでの人生の中で何かで一番になれたことはなかったわ。だから B 級1位になった時に思ったの。私はこの位置のまま B 級以下のヒーローを束ねて単独行動主義の姉を超えてみせるって。
Because of her, I would never be number one in anything my entire life. There was no beating my sister. So when I became Class B Rank 1, I got to thinking. If I remain in this position, I could control all the heroes below me and with them, gather enough strength to surpass her.